This tube contains the fastest growing organism on the planet that we engineered to take up any DNA that you give it on the fly. We call it Forage 1, and it's a step change in how we make new biologics. The microbe grows twice as fast as E. coli, it produces more material, and it's less sensitive to contamination. And we made it so easy to use that anyone, from a high school lab to an established pharma company, can use it for rapid prototyping and manufacturing at industrial scale. Conventional pipelines take at least days to weeks. Making a single modification requires a drawn-out procedure that tears open the cells so that new DNA can just randomly diffuse in, and then repair the damage and isolate and verify the individual cells that actually got the update. It's a miracle that it works at all, but it's just the prelude to the real productive work. With modern tech like AI, we can't depend on random chance to keep up in the real world anymore. With Forage 1, you simply add the DNA. Our platform is programmed to reprogram itself and start producing proteins, natural compounds, DNA, any genetically encodable candidate on demand. Expertise can be focused on the big picture problems and not the chassis. From AI-driven discovery to on-demand biomanufacturing in space, we reduce the time and effort to go from sequence to producing material by orders of magnitude at any scale. This is the bio-operating system built for modern demands. Reprogrammable life that's ready to work. Forage Evolution, the new workhorse for biotech.